Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Base.
What does the dictionary say?
The bottom support of anything. That on which a thing stands or rests.
Math rap.
Picture a 3D triangle and you can't go wrong. The base is the bottom it stands upon. It's the bottom line of a 2D shape. 2 like a rectangle, square, or yes, a triangle too.
Math rap.
Explain base in your own words. When you stand, your feet are the base. What foot is a stronger base for you? Try it out. Which foot can you stand on longer than the other? What is the base of the room where you're at right now? What would a science teacher say is the opposite of a base? Name types of bases. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!